What's up, YouTube? Pat the Car Guy here at Gresham Toyota, your gateway to adventure, talking to you today about some really simple key functions. So I'm in one of our oldest cars on the lot right now. This is a 1997 Tacoma. Obviously, it's keyed ignition. I also have my truck out here, a 2018 Tacoma, that is smart key. So I wanted to show you that basically, even though it's much newer and it is smart key, you do have the same functions. This is obviously your locked position. You'd find these positions on just about every car on the market. ACC, on, and start. So the first click of the key, that's your ACC. It turns on some electronics, but not all. The next click is on. The heating and air conditioning will work. The car is fully functional. It just, the engine's not running. To start the engine, you click it over to start and leave it back at run. So that's the old way. Really, the reason for this video is yesterday I had a customer, they traded in a Prius that they'd had for like 5 or 6 years, and they had no idea that you couldn't turn the car off and still run the electronics, like you couldn't maintain your Bluetooth phone call. Well, so I'm in my truck now. Here's the start button. If my foot's not on the brake, one click turns on everything just like a keyed car. But no, one more click. Now I've got full climate control, everything just like the run position. The difference here is you got to put your foot down in order to start the gas engine. But other than that, functionality is the same. Again, I'm Patrick over here at Gresham Toyota. If you're in the market for a new vehicle, please come see me. Give me a call at the number below. Have a great day.